Alrighty folks, we have yet another study highlighting the protective effect of regular exercise and physical activity when it comes to protecting severe outcomes, risk of hospitalization, and even death from SARS-CoV-2. This is really important because this particular study involved over 194,000 people as part of Kaiser Permanente's healthcare dataset. The title of the paper here is The Associations of Physical Inactivity and COVID-19 Outcomes Among Subgroups. Now here's what's really important about this study. Number one, 58% of the 194,000 people that were surveyed, okay, between the months of January 2020 to May of 2021 were inactive, either mostly inactive or completely inactive. So what this goes to show is most people need to improve on their physical activity levels. Number two, the second most important finding here is regular physical activity is linked with a 91% lower odds of developing or getting hospitalized when infected with COVID. Now here's what's even more important. People who regularly exercise have a 291% lower odds of dying from COVID compared to people who do not regularly exercise. Now you can see around me, we're at the airport. Many people are continuing to wear facial coverings. Where's the exuberance when it comes to physical activity, when it comes to moving one's body, regularly exercising, finding time in the day to go for a 15-20 minute walk, especially in the post-meal window? I would like to ask these people that very same question, but we now have the data. So I'm of the belief at this particular point that it is public health malpractice to continue to ignore the protective effects of exercise when it comes to preventing severe illness, hospitalization, and death from respiratory infections. I would love to know what you think in the comments below, my friends. It's time that we make movement, exercise, nutrition, healthy living the main thing. I'll put links to the study below. I want to give a shout out to Forbes for actually publishing and talking about exercise, because this was in the Journal of Preventative Medicine, but Forbes is one of the only media outlets, mainstream media outlets thus far, that is reporting on this. This should be front page news on CNN, MSNBC, Wall Street Journal, New York Times, Washington Post. Exercise is medicine, friends. Go out there and do the right thing. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sharing the video. Thanks for leaving a comment. Thanks for hitting that like button. We'll catch you on the future one down the road. Bye.